Salute to the folks who do the work. And this is something that's about to go down. I launched this AI webinar. Well, AI, how to use ChatGPT to get you in the millionaire pathway, right? On the runway. And I had people ask me, send me 2 emails, ask me questions. Okay, number one, I'm fucking busy. I don't have time to sit around here and answer a whole bunch of your emails. But this is what I'll do. I will launch a webinar to answer your questions at 3:30 on Sunday. 3:30, and everyone that shows up, I'll give you 10% off. So if you do the one and done, I'll send you a coupon where you can get 10% off of that. Or if you want to do the payment plan, we'll take 10% off of that. So if you could show your ass up to learn how to work, because like literally, I got all these people like, oh, asking all these questions. Stop being scared little fucking bitches and do some shit. I'm like, seriously. It's like, oh. Stop being so fucking scared. You got plenty of proof that shit's gonna work. Stop being a scared little bitch. The link to get on the email list, and I'll send you a link to the webinar so you can sign up. The link is below. Stop being fucking scared.